Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss a tool called GhostRecon. It's used to gather information about target website, specific website. It's a Python tool, can be used to run Google search queries, to from Reconnaissance of the target to find subdomains, login page, directory listing. So uh, GhostRecon is not installed by default in Kali, so you will have to install it using those commands. You have to go to their GitHub page, change the directory of that, and let's see it in practice. So I have already installed the tool in my system. Let's go and it seems it's not here, so let's try to install it again. Git clone https com tr 4m. Yeah, so it's installed now. Let us go to the directory folder, cd GhostRecon. Shellcode. Click on install requires. So it's installing now. Let's give it some time to finish installation. showed an API key if you like. In my case, I'm not. Just let's add it. Yeah, it seems it's installed already. So let's type GhostRecon to start the application. Oh, Python. Let's go to let's type Recon. So this is the application. Let's type help to get more information about the options available in GhostRecon. We have an option to scan the domain, search all possible information for the domain. We have an IP scanner, search for all possible IP address, phone scanner, email scanner, social scanner, and hide identity, which will enable Tor for you and which will hide your identity. Let's start for an email. Let's do an email scanner. Email scanner. Yeah. Let's enter a target email. We will use let's use sales at web source. Yes, we will have to, yes, one. You can add the file name where you want to save it, web source. So it has gathered information about this email. As you can see, it's not suspicious, high reputation. It has not been blacklisted, and its credentials not leaked. And yeah, spoofable, strict. Yeah, it will give you all this information for the specific emails. And let's try using search a domain, all possible information of a domain. Let's try domain scanner. Domain scanner. And yes, one and web source. So I will do websource.com. So it has gathered all this information, like as you can see, it has given me the domain name, the registrar details, such as the contact email, and it will even give you the name, the location, the street, detail of the registrant, and the city, yeah, and so on. This is the most used use case of GhostRecon, but you have also one option I recommend you to use. It's hide identity before you perform any. Yeah. Let's see, it's clean. Copy. hide identity will enable you, it will hide your identity while, yeah, it's going to start Tor network. And that's all for that's it for today. See you in the next video.